This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus versus the Huawei P30 Pro. Now the Note 10 Plus, this one is the Snapdragon 855 variant with a whopping 12 gigs of RAM, One UI interface on top of Android 9. Huawei P30 Pro has the Kirin 980, 6 gigs of RAM, EMUI interface also on top of Android 9. Now on a side note, both of these phones have very similar aesthetics, very similar designs. Let me know in the comments below which one you like better, the P30 Pro or the Note 10 Plus. Similar arrangement in the camera array, time of flight sensor, and also the flash. Branding is a little bit different though on the Huawei, as it goes this way. On the Samsung, they put it on their traditional location. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Very similar boot up times. You guys are the judges. And we are. Nothing in the background on both phones. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Huawei messages. Very close, maybe the Huawei again. The camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder, and let's go. Draw. Clock on both phones. Very close. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch. Leave that running. Samsung Internet and Chrome. We'll do a search for Note 10. Go. A little bit faster on the right. Go ahead and click on this one. Review by CNET. Nice and fast. Scroll through this. Ooh, look at the Huawei. Scrolling through it hella fast. Go back. Nice and fast on both phones. Browsing should not be an issue. I'm gonna go ahead and reload the page. Give you an idea. Both phones, very nice performance on the browser. Calculator on both. Very fast. Play Store. Very close, maybe the Huawei on that one. Click on this. And then we'll click on, where is it? This one, my favorite app. I wanna install this on the phone. Actually, nah, we'll just leave it there. Amazon shopping. You guys are the judges, maybe the Note 10 on that one. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Nice and butter on both. Click on these shades. Whew, so fast. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Ooh, so close, but give the slight advantage to the Note 10 Plus. Temple Run 2. Blooming Sands, loading on both. Oh, we may have a draw here. We'll find out in a second. Draw. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on the Note 10 Plus. Will the P30 catch up? Note is ahead. And we'll give the victory to the Note 10 Plus on this. Asphalt 9. Note 10 Plus out in front, I think. Oh, and give the win to the Galaxy on this. PUBG Mobile. Oh, so close. Ooh, oh. Loading on both. Oh, and give the narrow victory to the P30 Pro. We'll go ahead and go through these. Annoying pop-ups, continue. Get a little bit faster on the Note 10 to get in the game, but this one just has all this extra stuff. Adobe Photoshop Express. I have the same 8K image on both phones. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the white balance filter here, and I'm gonna choose the shade filter. I'm gonna jack this up to the max. Click on this, and both nice and fast on that step. Gonna save to gallery, see which one saves it faster, and let's go. And give the victory to the Note 10 Plus on the left. Twitter, pretty much the same, maybe Note 10 just a tad faster. Instagram, Note 10. WhatsApp, Note 10. Snapchat, very close, but the Note 10 Plus by a split second. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. All apps in the background, as you can see. Note 10 Plus does have 12 gigs of RAM, so I do not anticipate RAM management to be an issue with this phone. The Huawei P30 Pro, there is a version with 8 gigs of RAM. Unfortunately, I don't have that. This is the 6 gigs of RAM, so it is what it is. So let's run through these apps again, see if there's any reloads or any stutters. Looking good so far. Very early on. We'll go to the Photoshop, good to go. PUBG, nice and fast on both so far. Asphalt 9 Legends, and we have some sort of reset here. Not a full reload, I don't think. The Angry Birds. Oh, looks like we have a reload here on the right. Temple Run 2, reload again on the right. Now, Note 10, like I said, does have 12 gigs, so that's double the RAM. So kind of expected that. I don't know if the 8 gigs of RAM version will be better on the, how much better it will be on the P30. Maybe a few more apps will stay in RAM, but overall, not too bad on the P30, keeping most of the stuff in RAM, as you can see. And then calculate, or the browsers. The clock's still running in the background. Camera, still there on the P30 Pro, so that's nice. Messages still there. And the phone app, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight on hashtag Team Galaxy? Are you rocking this brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus or the regular Note 10? If you have a Note 9 or S9, S9 Plus, an S10 Plus, or a Note 8 or S8, are you gonna take the plunge and upgrade to the Note 10 or 10 Plus? Or do you like Huawei phones? Do you have this Huawei P30 or P30 Pro, the Huawei Mate 30 or Mate 30 Pro from last year? These phones have pretty good specs with their Kirin processors, nice displays, although the EMUI skin, maybe not everyone's favorite, outstanding cameras, one of the best in the market. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.